So let us let us now do the political map of Europe. We will start with the country here, which is Norway. This one here is Sweden, and this is Finland. This larger one here, this is Russia. This is Finland. I hope it stays like this now. Then we have the country that is Estonia. This one here is Latvia. This one here is Lithuania. Okay. This is again a part of Russia. Now, this is UK, this region, this one. But I need to tell you that UK, United Kingdom, basically consists of four countries, which are Scotland, Wales, Northern Ireland or North Ireland, and the fourth one is England. Now, this, if you draw a line here, this one is Scotland. If you draw a line here, this little part is Wales. This one is England. This country is Ireland, and this tiny one is North Ireland. Now, it is important for us to note that Ireland is not part of UK. Otherwise, all these four countries are a part of UK, that is United Kingdom. Now, let us do the neighboring countries of Europe, and then we will move on to the major portion of Europe. This is Morocco. This one country here is Algeria. These are the countries of African continent. This is Tunisia. This is Libya. These two parts, actually, these are not two parts. This is Libya only. So this part and this part, the joining part is not visible in this map because they are the African countries. So they will be covered in African continent when we will do African continent. This one is Egypt. This one here is Turkey. This one is Kazakhstan. This one here is Turkmenistan. This is Iran. This is Iraq. This is Syria. This is Lebanon. This is Israel. This one is Jordan. The country Jordan is normally considered as the gun shaped country. Gun which is like pointing towards Iraq, like this one. So you can like consider it that way. Then we have Saudi Arabia. Let us do now this portion. This one here is Georgia. This is Azerbaijan. This is Armenia. And this little one is again Azerbaijan. Okay. Now we will move on to the main part of European continent. In order to cover almost all the countries present in this region, we need to broadly know three countries and their locations. This is Germany. This one here is Hungary, and this is Macedonia, right? Macedonia is this one. Okay. Now I'll tell you how you have to use these three countries in order to cover almost all the countries present here. First, we will write Germany. Now you have to learn this in this manner. The country north to Germany is Denmark. The country here is Netherlands. Then to the south of Netherlands is Belgium. To the south of Belgium is Luxembourg. Then somewhere here is France. Then the next one is Switzerland. Then the next one is Hungary. Or, sorry, this is not Hungary, this is Austria. Next to Austria is Czech Republic. And to the north is Poland. Now make another country, that is Hungary. This is very broader representation. Please don't be too serious about the directions. So Austria is somewhat here of Hungary, somewhat to the northwest. To the north is Slovakia. Then here is Slovenia. Here is Croatia. Okay, this is Croatia. To the south is Serbia. Here we have Romania. And this one here is Ukraine. Now let us take another country, that is Macedonia. To the north of Macedonia is Kosovo, and to the north of Kosovo is Serbia. To the west of Macedonia is Albania. To the south of Macedonia is Greece, and to the west of Macedonia is Bulgaria. You can use Albania in order to learn two more countries. To the south of Albania is Montenegro, and to the north of Montenegro is Bosnia Herzegovina. So this covers the most difficult countries of European continent, and using this representation you can point them in the map. I'll show you how. To the north of Germany we did Denmark. Then somewhere here we did Netherlands. Then here we did Belgium. To the south of Belgium we did Luxembourg. Then somewhere here we did France. Then next to France we did Switzerland. Then we did Austria and Czech Republic. Here we did Poland. Then we kept Hungary as the center. To the north of Hungary we did Slovakia. To the left we did Slovenia and Croatia. To the south we did Serbia. To the east we did Romania. Okay, pardon me for this. Romania. To the north of Romania we did Ukraine. Now we kept Macedonia as another center. To the north of Macedonia is Kosovo. I am not sure about the existence of one of the countries in this region because I remember that one of the countries is, I think, merged with another country, but I'm really not sure about the name of that country. I think it is Kosovo, or I think it is like Kosovo and Macedonia both are included in Macedonia, but I'm really not sure. Or it might be some other countries which I'm definitely not sure about. So I might confirm it later. And till then, we will consider Kosovo and Macedonia. To the west of Macedonia, we did Albania. To the south of Macedonia, we did Greece. And to the east, we did Bulgaria. To the north of Albania, we did Montenegro. To the north of Montenegro, we did Bosnia Herzegovina. So that's it about the major countries. I know that we are left with some other countries as well, but those are not very difficult. The most difficult part, which used to be difficult for me, is this part. So this we have covered quite well. Now we are left with this country here. This is Belarus, right? This heel shaped, I hope you can see, this is in the shape of a woman's heel. So this is Italy. Okay. This country below Ukraine is Moldova. Okay. And this I think is very easy for us to uh, get. This is Portugal and this is Spain. So I think we are majorly done with these countries, and these areas might be of little confusion. This is not another country. This is a part of Ukraine only. I think we can see this small passage here, and similarly, this is also part of Ukraine only, and I think this is the disputed Crimea region. So this is like disputed between Russia and Ukraine, and I think it is a part of Russia now, but I'm really not sure about it, so let us not make a comment on that. And yeah, that's all, I guess. And I think I'm not sure about this, but I think this one is a part of Turkey, but I cannot be certain about it. Okay, so I think we are done with the landmass. Now let us move to the water bodies. Okay, I think we're left with one more country, that is Iceland. Okay, now let us do the water bodies. This sea over here, this is Norwegian Sea. Okay, and this one is known as North Sea, and this one here is known as White Sea, and this one here is known as Baltic Sea. Okay, this was very famous, the Mediterranean Sea. This one here near Italy is Ligurian Sea. This is Tyrrhenian Sea. Something, I think this is the spelling, or this is the, I'm not sure about the, if it is Tyrrhenian or Tyrrhenian, something like that only. This one here is Ionian Sea. This The one parallel to Italy is Adriatic Sea. This is Aegean Sea. This little one here is Sea of Marmara. This is Black Sea. And this one is Sea of Azov. And this one is Caspian Sea. Okay, before we move to straits and gulfs, I need to make one more thing clear. There is this country known as Malta, and these are some island groups. For example, this is Sicily Island. It belongs to Italy, and this is Sardinia Island. This belongs to this also belongs to Italy, and this one here is Corsica Island. Corsica Island. This belongs to France, and this one here is Balearic Island. It belongs to Spain. So yeah, that's all about it. Let us move to the water bodies. This is Gulf of Bothnia. This is Gulf of Finland. This one here is Gulf of Riga. As far as I remember, Riga is the capital of one of these countries, hence the name. This is known as Strait of Dover, and this is known as English Channel. English Channel. This one here is known as Bay of Biscay. Okay, this is very famous for Strait of Gibraltar. It separates two continents, that is Africa and Europe. Morocco in Africa. It separates Morocco in Africa from Portugal in Europe. This one is Gulf of Lions. This is Messina. Gulf of Messina, I guess. This one here is Strait of Bonifacio. And this is Strait of Messina. Either it is Strait or Gulf. I'm really not sure about it. And as far as I remember, Strait is a narrow passage of water between two land masses. And Gulf is something which is like surrounded on three sides by the landmass, but I am not 100% sure about it, so I cannot say with certainty, and I might confirm it later. This one is Strait of Otranto. I am all sure about the name, but I am again confused regarding if it is Gulf or Strait, so I might look at it. This is Strait of Dardanelles. This is Strait of Bosphorus. And this one is Strait of Kerch. Yep. So I think that's about it. We have, I think, covered the major uh, countries and major water bodies of the continent Europe. So yeah, that's all about it.